In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove gray highlights from your text. It's a quick and simple process that can make a big difference in the cleanliness and readability of your document. Whether you're polishing a professional report or tidying up a school project, removing an unwanted text highlight can enhance the overall look of your work. Let's start by selecting the text with the gray highlight. This is the part of your document that you want to change, so make sure you've accurately chosen everything you need to adjust. If you're working with a large block of text, click and drag your cursor over the highlighted section. For a smaller selection, a quick double or triple click might do the trick. Remember, precision here will ensure that you're only removing the highlight from the specific area you want, keeping the rest of your formatting intact. Once your text is selected, look towards the top of your screen for the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find many of the basic text formatting tools you'll need. Click on it to reveal its options. It's like opening the toolbox for your documents and gives you access to a suite of editing features. Now, within the Home tab, focus on the font group. The font group contains several essential tools for modifying how your text appears, such as changing the font type, size, and color. What we're interested in here is the text highlight color dropdown, which is usually represented by an icon resembling a marker pen with a colored line underneath it. Click on this dropdown. Once you click on the text highlight color dropdown, you'll see a variety of colors appear, allowing you to change the highlight of your text to various shades. However, what we're interested in for this tutorial is the option labeled No Color. Selecting No Color will effectively remove any highlighted shade currently applied to the selected text, returning it to the default background of the document. This step is crucial to eliminating that unfavored gray highlight. If all went well, you should see your text lose its gray highlight, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the rest of your document's background. It's that simple. Just a quick selection, a few clicks, and your document looks polished and professional without any distracting highlights. This method is applicable in most word processing programs, making it a versatile and useful tip to remember whenever you're editing documents in the future. With these easy steps, removing unwanted highlights in your document has never been more straightforward. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident making your text look exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!